In previous experiments, we observed that when corals are under stress from an increase in tank water temperature, they release green pigmented cells. The coral still appears to be alive even though it has lost the green cells. What other organisms do we know that contain green pigmented cells? Plants have green cells. How can we tell if the green cells are plant cells? We know that plants are able to produce their own food. The green pigment in plant cells capture energy from the sun, and this energy is combined with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to produce sugar, a food source, and oxygen. The oxygen is then released back into the atmosphere. This process is known as photosynthesis. Scientists have used specialized tanks to measure the amount of oxygen that is taken up or released by the coral and the green cells over time. They have concluded that the green cells released by the coral are able to perform photosynthesis, while the bleached coral by itself is unable to perform photosynthesis. So are the coral polyps and the cells they expel plants or animals? The results could suggest two things. Either corals are plants that release their pigmented cells in warm water, or corals are animals with green plant cells living inside of them. We can use a more powerful microscope called an electron microscope to look inside the coral polyp cells and find out the answer.